They call it the juice of the flat, slender abdomen. Its name must to his great power for burning fat. The clothes did not fit, I have to enroll in the gym. That is a common phrase among many women who begin to accumulate fat. What happens is that one day sleep with a slender figure, but when they get up, no longer know what happened to them. Other women usually say seems unfair, many people eat a lot and not gain a pound, but this piece of pizza I'm eating I have to go to the gym sweat it out this afternoon. These words are very accurate in many cases. And that is to have the body you so desire, we must eliminate all kinds of harmful fat in our body. One of the most common and problematic is the abdominal fat. This can become a nightmare for many people. On the other hand, when we start to leave those love handles, our beauty is going into a tailspin. This leaves many embarrassed and feel unsure of themselves. However, even eliminate this fat is a bit difficult. It's nothing that a balanced diet with a good exercise routine cannot control. At present there are numerous methods that can help us get rid of abdominal fat satisfactorily. All we need is to put some of us, the rest will come by itself. As we know your sincere desire to remove the fat from your abdomen, we bring you a recipe that will help you do it in the blink of an eye. First of all, we need much pineapple peel as cucumber and chop into small pieces. Then we put all ingredients in a blender and liquefy until a delicious juice. Something we take note is that you do not need to use the whole ingredients. We can prepare one hand and keep the other. This juice can take it as many times as we want, its effects will be the same a flat stomach. If you like this recipe, we encourage you to prepare as soon as possible and enjoy its benefits and delicious taste. Also, you can share this video with your friends and loved ones on social networks, so they also learn of this juice burns fat.